Hi, it's Beth at the Parris house, and I wanted to do a real quick video of our new bees doing their orientation flights, which is going to help them learn exactly where their home is. So you can see that they're flying in a kind of vertical circular path, and they are learning their space. I'm going to back away from them a little bit because I'm not wearing my bee suit and there's a lot of activity here. But this is what I wanted to see. Yesterday and the day before, I installed them the day before. I was unfortunately not seeing a lot of activity, and it was because it was very cold and very windy. It was literally below freezing here last night. But today we have a warm, sunny day. It's really gorgeous. Let's get a little closer again. I had one sort of circling me. And they are out. They are out. They're foraging, they're orienting, and they're off to a great start. The reason that the package boxes are still in the yard, that would normally not be a thing, is because it was so very cold and windy the day I installed them that they were taking a really long time. The ones that I wasn't able to shake out of the boxes were taking a really long time to come out and go in the hive. They were just in a stupor. It was so cold. So I left them there longer than I normally would, and now I'm just going to wait until later in the day when the bees have all gone back into the hives around dusk, and pull those right out of there. Any of the dead bees that remain in there won't be too many, but any of the ones that are dead will go in the chicken yard to be fed to our chickens because they love insects. So that's it. I will keep updating on the progress of our hives. The next thing for me to do is in the next day or two, make sure the queens are released out of their cages, pull the queen cages out, and then leave the bees alone for a little while so that they can get busy starting brood. That's it. Thanks.